Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you're watching us from. This is Love Ada Family TV. In case you are coming across my video for the first time, yes, I will also advise you to this message. Share my post to all your platforms. It will help a lot. All right. Question is this. Somebody came out with this question. It's a new married woman, and they asked us a question. How can she be respecting her husband? She just noticed that the husband is lamenting, respect, 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 respect. And she's asking us the question, how? Especially maybe during food. No, not right now, they are in the family house. How will she respect her husband? Will she kneel down? What will she do? Okay. Yes. I would like you to answer your own on the comment section. As for me, I'm an Igbo woman, and the person that even asked this question is not Igbo woman. Yes, so I will answer, depending on the some tribes that I know how they are doing. I'll just brief it. For Igbo woman, especially the first time that when you just marry, you're in the family house, came down in the village. That's olden days. The reason why we know that they marry new wife, early in the morning, the woman will wake up and start sweeping everywhere. She will even sweep her compound, sweep other people's compound, and people will say yes, that she's a good woman. So when another person will marry somebody and they did not sweep like that, people believe the person is lazy or something. I can remember there's a woman they married. She did not stand up. She slept with her husband, stayed with her husband. Even when the family want to cook family food, she didn't stand up and help them. And instead, when they finish cooking, they serve her. So it's different. And the husband, I think, was okay by that. Didn't mention that. Okay, so in Igbo, but as a trained Igbo lady, if you marry at that first time, it is very good that when you're supposed to wake up early in the morning, you wake up. It's not that you go outside and start sweeping people's compound, but at least the environment where you are. If you don't have somebody that sweeps, because if you are living with a man, you will sweep. Then another thing, you cook. Yes, you will prepare meal. Preparing meal, I think it's your responsibility. It is your own responsibility to prepare meal that day. Everybody wants to eat your food. People know that is a new wife is here. So I think it's really your own. You are the one that's supposed to do that. That's my advice. Then when you want to serve it, serve normal. You want to give your husband water to wash hand, normal. We Igbos don't kneel down. But when it comes to Yorubas, please, you enter that place. When it is time for you to greet, make sure you kneel. Because if you don't do it, they will not believe that you are a real Yoruba person. Why I'm saying this is because the person that asked this question is a Yoruba person. Okay, so, and then when you want to serve, kneel and serve the way Yorubas does. Because you are in the village and you will stay in the village forever. It's just for that your celebration a lot of people has come for. So that is here I am. Then respect is what you give to your husband. You know that is you are going to Yorubas. It's not only that when you kneel, maybe when the man will send you something, you cannot do it. Because sometimes we say respect is not by kneeling down. Because of a lot of people after kneeling down and doing sa, you still see them disobey the man. Respect the man, respect your husband. Your husband is your honor. He deserves your respect. And when you do that, you will see him will love you a lot. Goodbye. I think there is a noise in this video. So sorry about that.